A very important part about your grip on either the snatch or the clean is the hook grip. The hook grip is when you place the thumb underneath the pointer finger and middle finger, depending on your thumb length. Some people only get the pointer finger. So you put your thumb underneath those fingers, and with the weight on the barbell, it's gonna wedge your thumb in, making sure that you can secure a good grip on the barbell as you pull up on it. So it's very helpful when you're using heavy weights, so that the bar stays vertical and you're not losing your grip and your hands or knuckles come out forward. All right, so the way that we get this grip is, you'll see here, my thumb is gonna flex slightly here, and I'm gonna wrap my fingers, just like I said, under it. So I could do it in this position here so you could see it. So I'm gonna put my thumb right there, and then my fingers are gonna go right over it. And as you see, if I pull the barbell, that's a really tight grip there. So my thumb is being pinched under the weight there. All right, so if you see me use a regular grip here, the thumb is really not doing anything. It's trying to hold on, but it's really, I can't do much with it, especially if I'm pulling up a lot of weight. If my hands get sweaty, the bar is sweaty, or there's a lot of chalk on it in competition, it's gonna be really hard to grip it. So using this right here, if you're not using straps in training, is gonna help a lot. It's gonna help you keep the bar closer. It's gonna help you pull the bar vertically, and it's gonna make the lift feel a lot smoother. So here, hook grip, and I can take my lift. And you'll see as soon as I get to the front rack position, I release it. Because now the bar is only on my fingertips and it's mainly supported on my shoulders. Now I'm not holding a hook grip. Now I could go ahead and take my jerk in a comfortable position. Still not holding a hook grip. Now we'll show it for the snatch. First thing I do, like I said, using the same method to set up every time, I like to point my fingers, wrap my thumb underneath, and then go ahead and get a tight grip and take my lift. On these, I also release the hook grip over in the overhead position. So I don't maintain that. I open up my hand so that my wrist can flex back comfortably and I could be stable overhead.